Now when you earn as much money as me, you gotta spend it somehow. And let me tell you, I buy the coolest fucking shit. And since I'm such a generous dude, I like to share the wealth by letting the fans see exactly where the money is going. Let's do that shit! Hey Bangface, welcome to another unboxing video with your boy Thrasher. Today, we got for you a 4-in-1 Jigsaw, the low price of just £1. Now this is 174mm by 174mm, suitable for kids 3 and up. Don't give this to little babies, please, please. So without further ado, let's get into this shit. The fuck is this shit? Come on. How is a fucking 3-year-old meant to get this shit off? There we go. Now, without further ado, let's see what's inside. Are you fucking kidding me, man? Whoa. Now, you know, folks, I don't pretend to have an IQ of 146, but, you know, if you juggle that up, I can put it back together in 30 seconds. That ain't no challenge. Next one, we're increasing the number of pieces by 2. Got a nice big elephant there, but you know, again, you juggle this up, and you know, I can still put this back together in like 30 fucking seconds. Come on. You give this to your kid's gonna grow up fucking stupid. I mean, that ain't hard, is it? Moving on to the next jigsaw. We've got 9 pieces here, 9 pieces. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Whoa, things are getting fucking crazy around here. I think we got it, folks. Fuck, this stupid fucking giraffe. Well, look, anyway, if you saw what it was a fucking giraffe anyway, okay? They're like horses, but they got big fucking yellow legs. Finally, we come to the mighty lion. King of the fucking jungle. King of the fucking junglers too. Now, we're at 4 times as many pieces as we had on the zebra. And shit is starting to get a little bit fucking hectic here. I mean, it looks like that's the top. Anyway, you get the picture, folks. This is a fucking toy for kids. It's a toy to make your kids smart and to learn the fucking animals. So without further ado, let's rate this toy. Education factor. I'm gonna give this toy a traffic light. Because some of it was hard and some of it was just too fucking easy. Fun factor. This gets the cop car. It wasn't very fun. Nihilism factor. Bike lane. Overall score for this piece, gay cruise.